This looks amazing. Good morning. So today we are going to be making a Vietnamese breakfast. We surprisingly have most of the ingredients that you would expect in a ba ne, which is like a steak and egg. So we have steak left over from fondue. We have tomatoes left over from fondue. And if you might remember when Mark picked up baguette, he also picked up pate, which is also a very critical ingredient to this recipe, so he's going to be preparing that for breakfast today.
First, I'm going to marinate the steak with some garlic, ginger, hoisin sauce, and fish sauce.
Oh, okay. We have some ginger here. You're adding some fish sauce. Nothing like fish sauce to wake up your palate in the morning. We are also adding some hoisin sauce, which will add, I guess it's like considered like sweet.
Mm-hmm. Still looks so beautiful, huh?
Yeah, look at all that marbling. What are we doing next?
Oh, we're gonna cook down the green onions and blister the tomatoes.
And presentation-wise, are we just eating it straight from this? Which is how... Usually they use the same, like... what are those grill... Like, we ate it in the sundubu episode.
Yeah, like the hot plate.
The hot plate, yeah. So you're served one of those tableside. Now, is this intentional? But I'm getting Christmas color vibes.
Merry Christmas!
Hardy said he's ready for the steak too. Hardy, you want steak? You want bonnet? Hardy's like, what is that divine smell? And very important, if you like your eggs scrambled, don't do it. Then you're not eating it right. I'm just saying. I know some of y'all can only eat it scrambled, but this dish, you need that egg yolk. It's also part of the presentation. Here's the baguette, but here's the issue. It's super hard. So I just Googled it real quick. They said to dampen a paper towel, but not like completely drench it. Wrap it around the baguette and then microwave it for 10 seconds to soften it up. If it doesn't do it after the first 10 seconds, do another 10 seconds until it's soft. So let's see if this works. This much is good. Oh, I can rip it. Hey, I can skip arm day. This is a good size piece. So here's my damp paper towel. I'm just gonna wrap the baguette in it or wrap it around the baguette rather. Let's stick it in 10 seconds. Cross our fingers. I think it's gonna need more than 10 seconds. So it's a little steamy, but it's still hard. I'm gonna do another 10 seconds. It's still hard. Ooh. Oh, okay. Well, not completely, but it's definitely not like the, I think I'm gonna do one more 10 second. I can actually like squeeze it. Earlier it was like not even possible. Look at that. Here's the pate. I think Mark's gonna do a healthy dollop.
Where do you want it? Maybe here?
I was gonna say right there, yeah. There's a spot just for it. Yum. This might be the thumbnail. You don't even need to see me and Mark's face today. Plus my hair is a mess. It's like a mess. So let's get a haircut either today or tomorrow.
Where does this go? Just everything?
Okay. Oh, cucumbers too? Oh, and we got, yeah, cilantro. There we go. What? This looks amazing. All right.
Hot pan, hot pan.
You know that's gonna be drenched in all them juices. Woo. All right, time to dig in. I'm gonna start off with a piece of steak. Ooh. That was only like how long did you even marinate that for? I'm surprised it like absorbed all of it.
It would have been better if we marinated longer, but we didn't have time. We have meetings, we still have work. A good flavor, huh?
Oh. That, if that doesn't wake you up, I don't know what would. Wow.
Yeah.
Okay, so we got some bread here. Ooh.
Hard again?
It might work out because I'm gonna be dipping this in the, oh. Well, we also have bread left over from
dinner last night.
Here, I'll move this up. You see that? Is this allowed this early in the morning?
There's a lot of butter with steak juice, and I am a big fan of the blue brown egg one. I'll dip my steak in the egg, you know.
A little pate here.
This kind of tastes like the bonnet.
I think it's incredible what you achieved.
We should do this more often. We never thought to do this at home.
How's the tomato? Did you have one?
It's really good. It's sweet.
What a treat. Now I'm gonna be like, can you make me bonnet for breakfast?
It actually wasn't that difficult. Right.
Perfect size steak for breakfast too, because like I want to fall asleep in my chair later, so this is a good size to share.
I normally like steak and eggs for breakfast too, so this is really good.
Yeah, I think the last couple of like brunches we've been out to, you've been getting steak and eggs.
Yeah, and then this is kind of reminds me of it, but with Asian flavors. Mm-hmm. Vietnamese flavors.
I thought you added enough pate, but now I'm like, we're running low.
we still have a whole tub of it.
Oh, I can make a little steak sandwich, a little egg, a little steak. I'm good. A little pate, a little green onion. Look at this. What is this?
Heidi got the piece.
Mmm.
Heidi, come here. Heidi, want steak? Come here. Sit. Where'd he go? I'm right here. Heidi, right here. Now he sees it. Sit.
Oh. How's the bonnet? Good? Oh! Look at his bottom teeth!
It's quivering. He likes it too.
Alright, so we are on our lunch break and we both made appointments to get our hair cut just because we need to look a little fresh. I realize I have not gotten a haircut this entire Vlogmas timing, so this is actually a good indicator that it's time for a haircut. Mark, I think, got one at the beginning of Vlogmas.
You got one right before we started, I remember.
What was the purpose? Did I get one right before our San Diego trip? I'll look at the receipts later. I don't know when I got it.
Not that long.
It's because it doesn't grow as long anymore. Can't you buy me something that makes it grow out more full and like, look at your hair versus my hair. It's like flat and it's thinning out. I kind of regret dyeing it because I feel like it made it worse. So I don't know. So I go to a place called Great Clips. If you don't know what Great Clips is, it's a chain haircut place. It's like Supercuts basically. So I made an appointment on the app and it was an hour wait, so I waited until it went down to what, 20 minutes or so. This is one of those rare occasions where we actually both need a car at the same time, but we're a one-car household right now. Uber back home because Mark has to run down to Tustin to go to his salon.
Yeah.
You go to salon, I go to Great Clips.
I'm surprised we go
I know. There was only one period in time where we had the same hair person, right?
Yeah.
And then that you know, that didn't work out. Ever since we moved to Anaheim, I have not found like a hair person. So I've always done the Generica route. The only thing I don't like is like last time I wasn't sure, but they have a little like receipt that basically says what you've gotten your haircut for. Even though it says it on the receipt, I still feel like every time you go there, you don't get assigned the same person. They cut it a little differently.
That's why I can't go to places like that. I need to have the same guy cutting my hair.
Yeah.
So that's why I go to my guy.
I like variety in life, remember that? So it's like...
But you're complaining right now.
I know, I'm just saying. But with hair people, I might need to make a commitment. But I need to find someone. And the thing is like, I originally went to Great Clips because it was affordable, but then because of COVID, now a haircut's like 24 bucks. Maybe I should go to my old guy, a la Mark. Okay, girl, I get it. What else do you get?
He's not a chain corporation. He's a private artist.
Anyways, so we're gonna look all fresh for tonight's Monday Night Live, and I don't know if I'll like film myself getting a haircut, because then that might make the person more nervous cutting my hair, and then they might botch it up. But then that might make good for good vlog content. We'll see.
Do like a All right, I just got to my haircut place, which is about 25 minutes away from where I dropped off James. This is where my guy's spot is. So this building rents out little private studios for your own business. So he has his own spot.
All right, I just finished my haircut, so I'm gonna call my Uber now. I was gonna put the camera out while I was getting my haircut, but I didn't want to make the hairstylist nervous, so she didn't offer to like style my hair, which is fine because I usually shampoo it right when I get home, because if I don't, You get hair like all over the place. And all right, we are T minus 30 seconds or so. So what are we doing for tonight's live, Mark?
Cornbread, chili, casserole, pie? Huh? We'll see.
It'll be perfect because it's actually pretty cold here. See, here's a countdown right now here. Oh, I suppose I should sit down. One more mic check. Can I get a mic check, Mark?
I think it works.
And camera's good.
We're actually 1 minute behind. Sorry if you're watching this on live, but on VLOGMAS video the next day, we apologize. We're 1 minute behind.
All right, my prediction. Happy Cornbread Chili Monday. Let's go. This hand too. Cornbread chili or chili cornbread. I've been calling it chili cornbread. We'll see. We'll find out. Oh, he might use a Spanish word like maíz pan con chili. Let's go.
Happy Chili Monday. Let's go.
I did not guess that right at all. Hey everyone, James and Mark here with another video. If it's your first time here, hit that subscribe button, answer these questions in the chat.
Where are you from? What's your favorite food? And how did you find us?
My name is James, this is Mark, and we film videos every Monday and Friday, 6 p.m. Pacific time. Welcome back to another video. Oh, she was a little bit more liquid than the other one. The ghost pepper was very viscous.
This one just came out, so they want you to get every single ounce out of the bag onto this.
Yeah, All right, Haru is looking for dessert right now. So I'm going to try to get him to go under the tempo, which he was there the other day. Let's see if he can go under. Hey, go under. Go under here. Go. Go inside. Hey, go inside. Go inside. Go inside. All the way. Go inside. Hey, go inside. Go inside. Stay. Look at him. All right, dessert time. Let's go. Go. Dessert time. Woo! Dessert time. Hey, you want dessert? Yeah. Let's go. Woo! You're running too fast for me. Ooh, a new bag. Here's the chicken treat head he's gonna get. Okay, so for reinforcement, don't think we're bullying him. I need him to do it one more time. All right, let's go. Let's go. Let's go to the tempo. Go to the tempo. Let's go. Go, 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 go. Go. Go, go under there. Hey, go under. Go inside. Go inside. Hey, go under. No. Hey, go inside. Go inside. Go inside. Stay. Stay. Okay. Come here. Good boy. All right, we'll see you for tomorrow's vlog.